One Pinay Chick Chat once again. Thank you for tuning in today. It's a Monday and it's the first day without Mama Pig in the farm. If you're a follower of my husband and Aussie farming in the Philippines, yes, we lost her yesterday and it's kind of sad. We are planning to keep Mama Pig for a long time until she really retires, but yeah, we lost her. We lost Sausage, we lost Precious, and I'm just getting hopeless with the government people. I don't want to rant about it because today I just want to talk about the oil price hike. Yeah, like recently I've seen posts in Facebook that, you know, the prices are kind of, oh, that's lightning at the back. Yeah, the prices are kind of different in, like, it's different in different places, you know. Like one of my friends living in Manila, she posted like it's almost 100. Like the diesel is 99, and you know, premium and unleaded are kind of lower. And then there's also a friend of mine here in Tagum. Well, it's not the Tagum price, but she posted about Bohol. There's a particular station, gas station in Bohol, that's still selling at 40 plus pesos for the diesel, for the premium and leaded and unleaded gas. So like, really, how can it be? Yeah, it's unbelievable, right? Like almost 100 in Manila, and in Bohol it's less than 50. So like it's less than half the price of Manila. But here, the last time we refuel was just last week. I think that was Friday, that we paid 75 pesos per liter. Yeah, so we're in the middle. There's a song about that, right? In the middle. Yeah, so today I've seen, like in the morning, one post from used to be just a newspaper, but with social media it's now an online news blah blah thing. So like it said that there's going to be an increase effective tomorrow, and one of my relatives who owns a gasoline stations here in our province also announced that tomorrow in her stations there's going to be a price increase. So like we've never gone anywhere because of our troubles with the pig. So like we haven't like stock up for the mowers, for the, like here in the farm we only use diesel for our truck, and the rest are premium or unleaded, like the bike, the little loafy, the mowers, it's all premium or unleaded. So we don't have a choice. So tomorrow we're going to the hospital for William CT scan, and for our appointment with the doctor at 2 o'clock, which is 3 times cancelled already. Like the last time it was cancelled, we were told that the doctor lost his mom, so we really can't do anything about it, and his only schedule in that hospital we go to is Tuesday. I messaged the secretary today, but she's saying, oh no, she did not reply or answer or pick up my call. So I really don't know what else gonna happen tomorrow, but surely we will have the CT scan early in the morning, and if they will cancel again in the morning, they will advise cancellation again in the morning, then we'll come home. Forget again the 2 o'clock appointment if the doctor won't show up. So this is a long wait, guys. Like, this 3 weeks canceled, so now is the 4th week, or like, yeah, the 4th week of trying to get an appointment with the doctor, and hopefully tomorrow he'll be able to we will be able to see him. Yeah, so it's raining now, guys, and thunders, if you can hear, it's so loud. So this is just going to be a short video just to share the oil price increase here, and I'm gonna insert some how you call my source of, you know, last week's price and this week or tomorrow's price. Scary. They say it's gonna be over like 100 in a few weeks time. So with us, it's gonna be 80. Well, when we went to Davao a month ago, or like 2 months ago, some gasoline stations are already over 80 pesos. But here in Panabo area, it's just like 60 plus, 70 plus. But tomorrow, I'm gonna expect the gasoline stations will be, you know, in their kind of boards, their price boards. Surely it's gonna be like more than 80. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, everyone.